How to create a home office in a small space. Working from the comfort of your home. We've all become acclimated to it over the last year, and I expect us to spend less time in the office and more time working from home in the future. But what if you don't have an extra area to use as a home office since you live in a small house? You may incorporate a home office into your small house in a number of ways that are both simple and beautiful. You may create a useful, attractive, and pleasant home office in your house, no matter how big or tiny it is, with everything from clofices, that's closet and office, to bookshelf dividers. So in today's video, we'll talk about how to create a home office in a small space. Do you want to learn more? As a result, keep an eye on this video. Good day, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. You can adopt a clofice layout, but what is a clofice exactly? It's a blend of an office and a closet, to put it simply. This may frighten you a little because working in a closet doesn't sound so fantastic and claustrophobic, but you can turn your built-in closet into a great workspace, and establishing a clofice doesn't have to be expensive. You can make a lovely clofice with as little as a few dollars worth of wooden shelves from a hardware shop. These examples will demonstrate that. Another benefit of the clofice is that while you're not working, you may hide your workspace. Not all former closets, however, have doors. If you still want to conceal your office, consider installing a curtain or a sliding door, which is also a wonderful space saver that you can close when not in use. It also gives your home a sense of coziness and texture. But how can you flexibly adapt to the new technique? Is this useful enough? What are the advantages of adapting to this? The most slick home office is one with wall-to-wall planks. For added storage, place boards above the desk. The clofice above has subtle wallpaper that adds to its appeal. In the clofice above, two smart design principles are integrated. Because this closet is so small, adding a fold-out desk, it gives you extra space in your office. I really adore all of the bright accents in this office. Adding or removed wallpaper to your clofice for a beautiful color burst is a wonderful way to refresh it up. The image above also demonstrates that instead of the standard wall-mounted shelves, you may install an actual desk in the clofice, which will give it a more clustered appearance. That awkward nook behind the stairwell, that teeny tiny nook behind the slopes roof, it can be used as a home office by all of you. You can make the use of every nook and cranny of your home office, and the most of it too, with custom-made shelves and storage solutions. I've never seen the storage solution for sloped ceilings shown on the left before, but it's absolutely brilliant. Although slanted ceilings are inconvenient because you can stand there and tall furniture is worthless. You can add thin storage bins to the slanted ceiling that are ideal for keeping paper. It's not necessary to place bookshelves against the wall. You can construct a home office that is separate from the rest of the room by using the bookshelf as a dividing wall. This way, your home office isn't always in view while you're not working, and you have a lot of storage space in your temporary office by using bookshelves as a dividing wall, and this shelf system is great for compact spaces and can be obtained on Etsy. You'll be able to set up a separate home office and have more storage space. The Kallax bookshelves from IKEA are ideal for creating a separate home office with ample storage. Furthermore, the cabinet's open construction helps to keep your home office light. If you're living a limited space, make use of the height of your space. Now, I understand that not everyone has high ceilings, but if you do, you should definitely take advantage of them. Are you a studio apartment dweller? Purchase a loft bed and place your office beneath it. Obviously, if you have a separate bedroom, this also applies. It all depends on what you want to emphasize in your home. A home office, for example, may be more vital than a low bed. The fold-up desk is ideal for teeny tiny areas because it doesn't take up any room when not in use. You can create one yourself. There are plenty of guides online, but some stores sell foldable desks as well. On Amazon, you can get the 4mm folding desk, which is ideal for tiny places. The desk is large enough to work comfortably at, yet it folds up against the wall when not in use. The haphazard remote setup is far from suitable for many people who work from home, especially if you're working with a little box space or worse, a corner of a room. But just because you don't have a lot of room doesn't mean you can't come up with a great home office design that meets your demands. When properly set up, any location can become a hub of professional brilliance and achievement. Whether it's a living room alcove, a bedroom dressing table that doubles as a desk, or even a hallway flip-up table. These beautiful and space-saving solutions can motivate you to be more productive while avoiding poor posture and eye strain. Hallways are an excellent place for small home office ideas because they are more than just a way to get into the house. Carpetrites opens a new tab, design features a flip-down wall desk, and is painted to match the half and half wall decor trend. The splotchy carpet in this pattern adds interest while also providing a smooth feel for comfortable working. Most of us had recently spent a lot of time at home. As a result, we've looked into ways to declutter our spaces and get rid of things we don't need, such as outgrown clothes. Thanks, Uber Eats! So, if you have any extra small closet ideas that you were planning on throwing away, transform them into a tiny home office idea instead. Use an IKEA Mickey desk to achieve this style, which can be placed almost anywhere in the house. By zoning the space with a panel of color, in this case a vibrant blue, you can carve out a spot for work in a period living room. A bureau is a desk that works well in an older home and has the added bonus of folding up to cover any reminders of work life after office hours. By combining a gallery wall idea, painted light fixtures, colorful bursts, and vivid upholstery, this design combines old and new with a humorous twist. It's unusual that someone has a dedicated home office space in today's modern world of fixed office locations and low-cost co-working facilities. So if you find yourself cramming a small home office into your living room, don't make it stand out like a sore thumb. To establish continuity, this workplace uses 3 single-unit drawers designs in teal, white, and black, which were inspired by the living room colors. To create a cohesive atmosphere, it also incorporates the same green living room wallpaper idea. Plants, of course, play an important role in making this office feel welcoming and healthy. They serve to create an organic ambience that promotes well-being by being distributed around the lounge and office spaces. Let's face it, our guest room designs aren't going to be used every day for the year. The majority of the time, they are utilized as a clothes horse, a walk-in closet, or more practically, a dumping ground for random bits and bobs. As a result, converting this space into a modest home office should be simple. You can chop and modify the function of this space by using a couch bed. The 2-in-1 furniture can be used as a comfortable sleeping spot for friends and family or as a casual seating area for working. Could this be the future where you can afford an office in your home? How should it look alike? What will MNC talk about such things? Having said that, as we are near the finish of this video, we'd like to thank you all for sticking with us. If you enjoyed the video, please click the like button, and most importantly, you should subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon and never miss our video. We look forward to seeing you in the next one. Peace until then.